Hello, my dear students. This is a revision for Unit 5, Chapter 2, Helen Keller, Class 4, English. Here is a passage from the chapter Helen Keller. Helen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were very dirty. She often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. What changes came in Helen's nature? So you have to find all the answers from the passage itself. कहीं और से answer नहीं लिखेंगे. She grew wild. What did she not allow? She would not allow anyone to comb her hair. How did she express her anger? She expressed her anger by lying on the floor and kicking her feet. So all the answers are given in the passage itself. Antonym of wild is tame. Find the word in the extract which means the same as soiled. Soiled मतलब मिट्टी लगना, dirty. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water. Suddenly, Helen understood that water means something wet. Running over hand, she understood that words are the most important things in the world. What did Miss Sullivan do one day? Miss Sullivan put her hand in running water. What did Helen understand as the meaning of water? She understood water means something wet. What did Helen understand about words? She understood words are very important. Running water, flowing water को कहते हैं. Antonym of wet is dry. Right, true or false? Helen Keller was a disciplined child. False. Helen's parents found that she could not see but could not hear. False. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. True. Miss Sullivan was strict but kind. True. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a toy car. No, it's false. Helen was born in small town in Alabama. Helen Keller could not see or hear. Helen would not let anyone comb her hair. Helen's teacher name was Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan was strict but kind. Helen understood that words were the most important things in the world. Here are some jumble words. You have to learn the spellings. Summer, healthy, illness, sorry. This is teacher. Now you have to match the two columns by using and or but. Helen's parents loved her dearly and they named her Helen Keller. Helen survived the illness, but she was not seen after illness. Helen could not see and she could not hear. Helen copied her teacher and spelled doll, but she did not understand what she was doing. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. Some words are here, you have to match it with the meanings. Dearly, very much, healthy, having good health, illness, when the health is not diseased body, you can say, smart, intelligent, problem, situation that causes difficulties, wild, behaving in uncontrolled or a violent way, strict, expecting people to obey rules, important, very significant. So this you need to match. Here are the 3 degrees of comparison. The first degree, the second degree and the third degree. The first degree is a common word and then the second degree is adjective, but it is used when you compare between the two. Superlative degree is used when you compare one thing with a whole world or with a group of things. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Small, smaller, smallest. High, higher, highest. Good, better, best. Little, more, little, most, little. Poor, poorer, poorest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Wild, wilder, widest. Dirty, more dirty, most dirty. Now you have to write down the antonym here: healthy, unhealthy, love, hate, small, big, high, low. Now you have to put a conjunction and fill in the blanks. I ran fast but missed the bus. Go and sit on your bench. She could not speak, but hear. We played football until it grew dark. Grandma has gone to the doctor because she has fever. Dheeraj is clever but lazy. I know that he will come for the movie. The deer will run away if you make so much noise. This is a collective noun. What do you call number of monkeys? Troop. Number of bees? Colony. Number of lions? Group of lions, you can say pride. Group of wolves? Pack. Number of ants? Colony. Group of puppies? Litter. Number of sailors is crew. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word. He did not use his computer. The girl and the boy are going to school. He is my brother. The queen and the king were walking in the garden. She went to meet her husband. They are doing their work. The teacher is teaching in his classroom. Ravi is his brother. This you must learn. It become a grammar part. 100 years, century. Travel into outer space. Astronaut. A person who loves his country is a patriot. A woman whose husband has died is a widow. That's all for this chapter. Keep studying.